In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira ticket step by step. Jira can seem like a complex tool, but once you grasp the basics, it becomes an efficient way to manage tasks and end projects. Let's dive in. First, let's start by navigating to the Jira website. Once you're there, log into your account to access your dashboard. You'll notice a lot of options, but don't worry, we'll guide you through the necessary ones. At the top of the page, you'll see a Create button. This is your starting point. Click on it to initiate the creation of a new ticket. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a space. Think of a space as a category or a project area where your ticket will live. Selecting the right space is crucial as it helps with organization and ensures that your ticket is visible to the relevant team members. Take a moment to browse through your options and pick the one that suits your needs. Next, you need to select the work type. This could be a task, a bug, an epic, or any other type defined in your Jira workspace. Each type has its purpose, so choose accordingly. For instance, if you're reporting a software bug, select Bug. On the other hand, for general tasks, Task is often appropriate. Once the work type is selected, it's time to define the status of your ticket. The status helps the team understand the current stage of the task. Whether it's to do, in progress, or done, select the status that accurately reflects where this task currently stands. After this, you'll need to type in a summary. The summary should be a concise and clear statement that captures the essence of the issue or task. Think of it as a headline that conveys the key details at a glance. Following up on the summary, you'll enter a detailed description. Here, you have the space to elaborate on the specific details, background information, and any resources or links that might be necessary for the task's completion. Make sure your description is thorough to avoid ambiguity. Now, choose an assignee. This is the person responsible for taking action on the ticket. Depending on your team's workflow, it's essential to assign tasks to the correct individuals to ensure accountability. Next, you may want to assign the ticket to a specific team. This helps in tracking and managing tasks among various groups within your organization. For agile teams, selecting a sprint is often necessary. Sprints are time-boxed periods that help to manage workload and priorities. Ensure you're selecting the right sprint to align the task with your team's schedule. If necessary, you may also attach any relevant files or documents. Attachments can provide additional context or resources that support the task's requirements. Once you've filled in all the details, take a moment to review everything and then click Create. This will finalize the ticket and add it to your Jira project. Now, you can choose to view the story by clicking View Story. This option lets you see how your ticket appears to others and allows further edits if needed. If you find areas that need improvement, simply click Improve Story to make adjustments. Lastly, you might want to add a comment for team collaboration, so select Add a Comment to communicate any additional insights or instructions to your team. And that's it. You've successfully created a Jira ticket. With practice, Jira becomes an essential tool for efficient project management and team collaboration. Thanks for following along.